Alright. We're back with the vlog. We're back with the DSLR. Or this. This little discreet little camera will make me less awkward in public places. Coming on the vlog, and I'm sorry, I've usually vlogging it on purpose. Una pinollungo ilaruttakammalaatillu iluamik piffisaqarfiginorniassa kitaannartaa pinollungu vlog kiliungittayorpunga. And here's the thing, I don't regret it. Ayoingiraa taamaassamama. It's okay with me. Naruilqanoinginari inui piffisaqarniassa, but to not watch my boring vlogs on Christmas Day. Tanartaa qarsaatinollu. I don't waste your time. I don't waste my time. Ukutullinguatut it's going to be fun, it's going to be crazy, and I got some ideas, I got some plans, and we need to get those plans actionable. What? Is that yeah, there's something on the lens, though. Yeah, better. What did you get for Christmas? I got some exciting things. There's going to be an unbox video. What I like to do, this vlogging live. It's so hard. Trying to get back into the routine, it's really hard. And we need some stuff. That's what, being honest, that's I want to get. So, without further ado, let's just get into town, I suppose. I don't know if I'm okay, can you tell one of 13 people that are watching? Okay, let's teleport back. To bed? No. We got back. Wait a minute. Wait. So we're out here, and we're gonna cut to the second camera. Yeah, see that? We're gonna go run from this camera, Mr. Green Eye Nick. Okay, we got some stuff here. You know? First things first, I'm a realist. We got that is gonna make for great content. So, vloggy, ako good to suck. Then we need to call Tingwa Dorsin now. Then you can see tomorrow's vlog. Yeah, that's a feature of YouTube that you probably didn't know. And here's the card again. But let me good. Så sagt stjernekasteren is all sweet. Which is holding the camera right there. Yeah, 2 cameras. And snowboards on the going number. There we go. So I gotta start somewhere. So I got my very first kid snowboard. How ridiculous is that, huh? Yeah, trying this thing. I have a plan. I have a bigger plan than that. Electric skateboards. Why not start when I can? So many snowboards that I got a thing that is called an electric skateboard. So, step number 1. What else do we got? Noya. I found him out. I am a very clumsy motherfucker. mobiler nakkaayuannarpaa ainga mobiler iPhone 7 Plus ataasiarnerna nakkaarpaa unaqaama pitaarerlu. So I'm gonna need that on that phone. Yeah, you like that? You like that cut? Huh? You like that cut? Aha! Haha! Alright, I look like an idiot. Sushi top point. No, dude, come up point. Because no one gives a shit. What the fuck? You're. And I træner det point. Because I know today if you can see, this is the very last scoop. The grip, it's good. Alright, and I træner a bit. What's that? Oh, alright. Let's get shit done. En af de grunde, at jeg elsker den her maskine, det er lige at den er massiv. Nobody uses it. De siger mig, at der er det kunne gange den i nogle andre. Nobody's gonna take it away from me. Nobody. Not you. And not even you. Not even these guys. Nobody. People is afraid for new technology. I probably shouldn't be filming here, so let's go upstairs. Okay, now we can go upstairs again. Okay, now we can go. Okay, this door is still ridiculous. Alright, teleport home in 3, 2. Okay, set to be let's get downstairs. Okay, no naapasippa jullintunissutusiani. Prosinimi naapikakku taalaapano jullimpi pitsipinga laapano no ta isai adangiullun immutiuakku no taalo pisiaapallaarlu portorlu. Great job, Johannes. Okay, I am so tired. The workout is amazing. At the end of the night, we did arms, we did guns. You know what? To make things interesting, Johannes from the future, she's gonna do the outro. Alright. Take it away. This is Johannes from the future. Thank you from the future, Johannes. Thank you so much. And I will see you in the next video.